Hey everyone, this is George from TechLunar.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate all of the data from your current iPhone to your latest one without any hassle. So, let's take a look. Alright, so here we have the iPhone 7 and here we have the iPhone SE 3rd generation. Now, the way this works is that you assume that you have your brand new iPhone, and when you turn it on, you're going to be on this screen right here. And so the way we're going to work this out is by transferring the data from the iPhone 7. Now, this is the current iPhone, which, as you can see, we have some data in it. And we want to transfer all of its data to our brand new iPhone SE. Now, I have to mention that this process is entirely free, and you have to make sure that both of the iPhones are connected on the same network. So let's grab the iPhones to have a better view. So from the options right here, just choose this third option where it says transfer directly from iPhone. So choose that. And we should get a message right here. So if you don't get it, then you can just turn off and turn on the iPhone. There we go. If you still don't get the message, then make sure that both of the iPhones are connected on the same Wi-Fi. So choose on continue. And then we're going to be connecting to the there's iPhone. So now we're going to have to scan this thing over here with our current iPhone. So just let's go ahead and do this. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to have to enter the password of our previous iPhone. Okay, so this is going to take 10 to 15 minutes. Now, this really depends on your network connection, how many data you have in your current iPhone. If you have so many data, then you may going to have to leave both of the phones standing here for probably a couple of hours. But in my case, I don't have too many things on this phone. So just going to press on continue, just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to agree with the terms, make sure to read them. Now you also have some configuration that you would like to transfer, such as the settings, so you can view them, like for example, appearance, screen time, etc. You can also have the option to customize the settings if you prefer. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and just continue in order to simplify things. So we can go ahead and follow the information here, and also make sure to enter your password ID. All right, so once you enter your password, you're probably going to receive an email or a notification to your other Apple device confirming that this is you who's making the transfer. And once you do that, then the transfer will immediately start. So as you can see in this case, it only needs 5 minutes to make the entire transfer from the old phone to the new one. But if you have more data, as always, this is going to take more time to finish. So at this stage, just leave your phones down and don't touch them until the entire process is finished. right, so once the process is completed, then we're gonna go ahead and see what's up with the brand new iPhone. So we see that we have the same background. I'll just go ahead and open it. Notice that we have all the apps here as well. Some of the apps are going to be downloaded on the background, but all the things are pretty much here. You can see all the photos as well. We can also check the messages, so you see that everything is pretty much done. And from the old iPhone, just press on continue, and that's pretty much it. So right now you have an identical phone, and this also worked while we have different iOS versions from the old phone to the new one. So let's go ahead to settings, go to general, about. Notice that we have iOS 14.7.1. Here we have general about, we have iOS 15.4. So notice that different iOS versions and this still managed to work. And that's pretty much everything about this video. That's pretty much everything about this transfer. Now, if you found this video helpful and you managed to create a clone, or at least managed to transfer all the data from your old phone to your new one, please consider to hit the thumbs up button on the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to let me know how you found this video, or if you have any questions. Share this video to your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell right next to it in order to stay tuned for our latest videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.